Come test drive the 2012 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat, compass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.